When our animals die or we move away, what do you want to have?
Well, Smokey's gonna die probably within the next 2 years.
I don't know about that. She's extremely healthy for an old bag.
That's...
Once in place, we should be able to listen in on his
What if we got,
communications.
those horrible
Second, if
fucking
you see the
victory
boss,
belt plans.
Tail him.
Will those, yeah, well, those use
I hate those things.
I mean, I don't like them either, but I hate scorpions more.
I hate the plants more. I hate those
feathers are as good as ours.
Those things are awful.
It's like that feeling, you know, the whole like comic about, oh, this hole was made for me. That's me, but like, oh, I gotta put my fist in there, but it'll eat me.
Oh man, I love the tailing mission too because he's fucking crazy and is just talking to himself.
Can a penguin go insane?
Is there such thing as insanity among penguins?
Throw something at that guard, then jump up there and pick him up with the circle.
The camera cannot handle his girth.
Yeah.
Oh god, you're gonna eviscerate him.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're murderers!
There's something worse coming up in just a second here. Yeah, here it is.
Toss the rats into that open water main and plug up those pipes.
Why are you so clear? Drowning them!
We're literally drowning rats.
It's okay though, because they're criminals. You are too, slut!
Have you no vision? Are you hearing what I've been to you?
I'd like to think that the developers originally wanted him to have like
You think you
one
can swing the bat?
instead of a cigarette.
They shine.
I have
I
no
think
idea.
Sly would have been a lot cooler if he just had a big
your
blunt
suit
the whole
sucks.
time.
Let's dance!
The need for formal wear. That guy's not going to let you in without a tuxedo.
Don't beat yourself up, Ben. At a party this ritzy, there has to be a spare penguin suit around
We
your
get
son.
like a full tuxedo, but we don't ever get pants. Oh, you know what's extra weird? It's weird enough that all the main characters don't have pants. All the enemies have pants.
Maybe you're just a fucking squad of perverts that joined forces because you bonded over being fucking perverts.
This guy's got pants. All the enemies have pants. They're the only ones without pants. Oh god.
That's why the cops are actually after you. You guys like to paint yourself as hero thieves, but they're actually just after you because you're fucking creepy nudists that barge into people's houses.
Okay, Bentley. I'm in position inside the guest house.
No, they're after us because we're thieves. No, you're just a fucking freak. Don't talk about that.
It's statistically probable that each should hold
You didn't see anything.
What do I look for inside the room?
to dance with Carmelita.
He's a fucking asshole. He still has his regular shoes on and he still has the mask on.
What do you mean, mask? That's just what his eyes are like.
No, he has a mask.
That is profoundly disturbing. You should never be able to see a raccoon without its eyes.
You look lovely.
No, that's just like a little rat tail, yeah?
I used to chase after you back in Paris.
Like, does he take it off and it's still just black?
You're not by any chance here to turn yourself
So
in.
yeah,
Those eye insides would fall
like it's not as pitch
As
black,
that
but
sounds,
it's
how about
still
dance first.
because he leaves it behind at some point.
Yeah, no one can know what I look like. She looks so
Try to
fucking
memorize
pissed. She looks like she did not enjoy it.
Also, we know that Sly's a bottom because both times that he dances with a woman, the girl leads. Oh no, he doesn't have a suit on, shoes on. They just look the exact same.
He's such a twink.
He's also into Carmelita, who's like the uber fucking soldier woman.
Yes, I am.
God, she's
Do you
a
mind?
truck.
Not at all.
Well, it's like she gets into fucking fights with.
I love it when
dangerous
she yells
criminals.
at me.
He probably does.
Delicious.
Excuse me? What tastes good?
Oh, I can smell your sweat.
What'd you
I
just...
can taste it.
It's amazing it doesn't kill them.
Look, jump
God
over that
fucking
elephant's
damn it.
trunk if he tries to swat you off his back.
Elephants are remarkably gentle when it comes to crushing humans. What?
Those two things don't sound like they go together.
No, like if they find themselves stepping on a human, they're like, oh, no, no, hold on. I don't want to crush you.
It's like, ew. What'd I step?
No, they're very gentle creatures.
Fucking stop it. Whoa. I'm drowning. Oh, God. What the fuck? Whoa. No.
What the fuck is going on?
I fucking died.
I love how people are like, oh, but why does the dog mean death in Aztecs? Like, well, when your dogs look like this, when they're horrible, like, naked rat demons. No! You ruined the perfect run!
I gotta restart.
Why the bridge is down.
Hey, Bentley, how are you supposed to
Warm
get
up the
home?
van and get ready with the RC
With the
car.
van!
No, he's on the other side of the bridge.
With the van! It's like in Blues Brothers where the van just flies.
Oh.
All the manpower you need.
Cooler if you just
Oh.
don't break the fucking ruby!
I didn't know I could hit it. God damn it.
You're so strong you punch this mineral to break.
Oh. Hey, Murray.
No, I won't help you.
Yeah, why can't Murray just carry this?
Why can't that fat bitch just do everything if he's so strong?
Hey, look at the door.
It didn't even blow up. It didn't even blow. It's still closed.
And look at how much water there was. Like the ocean.
That also wouldn't fill up that way, just like physics-wise.
Black clouds and thunder.
Like it would just stop after the door.
I will no longer hide while you
Look at how much it's
destroy my
flooded.
What the fuck?
This place is miles.
Boy.
Drop the models in
Really good job.
plates. We beat the game.
No, this is done for now. Thank everyone who's been watching. We have a Twitter and a YouTube. Everything's cross-linked. Goodbye.